Topic: Nutrition in animals. Digestion in human. The food passes through an unbroken canal which begins at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. The canal is divided into many compartments. A. The buccal cavity. B. Food pipe or esophagus. C. Stomach. D. Small intestine. E. Large intestine ending in the rectum. And F. The anus. All these parts jointly form the alimentary canal. The mouth and buccal cavity. First, the process ingestion takes place when food is taken into body through mouth. The food is chewed with teeth and broken down into small pieces. Every human being has 4 types of teeth. Incisors for biting, canines for tearing, premolars and molars for grinding, pounding and crushing. The food pipe/esophagus. The food pipe runs along the neck and the chest. The swallowed food passes into and pushed by movement of the food pipe wall. Stomach. Stomach receives food from the food pipe and digestive juices break down the proteins into simpler substances. Liver. Liver is a reddish-brown gland to be found in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. It is the largest gland in the body. Gallbladder. Gallbladder secretes bile juice which digests the fats. Pancreas. Pancreas is a large green-colored gland below the stomach. Its juice changes carbohydrates and proteins into simpler forms. Absorption in the small intestine. In the wall the intestine. The surface absorbs the digested food materials and the absorbed substances are transported into blood vessels to different organs of the body. Large intestine. Large intestine is about 1.5 m long. It absorbs water and some salt from the undigested food material. The remaining waste goes into the rectum and leftover waste goes through anus. Digestion in grass-eating animals. The grass-eating animals swallow the grass and store it in rumen where food gets partially digested, which is called cud. Animals chew the cud when it returns to the mouth in small lumps. These animals are called ruminants and this process is called rumination. Digestion in amoeba. The amoeba is a single-celled organism found in pond water. Nucleus of amoeba is surrounded by protoplasm in the middle. When the protoplasm surrounds its food, it is enclosed in a good vacuole containing the fluid in which the prey swims. Digestion juice are secreted into the food vacuole and the parts that can be digested are broken down and absorbed.